So if I want to count how many of something I have in a spreadsheet, I can use the COUNTIF formula. So I'll come down into the cell that I have here beside COUNTIF and type in equal and start typing COUNTIF. So I'm going to COUNTIF. My parentheses always want to know what do you want to count. So I'm going to count these grades up here and find out how many hundreds I've given out this semester, for instance. So I'm going to put a comma and a space, and I'm looking for the 100s. And after I type my formula, I hit return, and I can see that I've given 12 100s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that was easy for me to count that, but if you've got, sheets with thousands of cells, it's much easier to do a COUNTIF. So equals COUNTIF, the range, it was B2 to E7, comma, space, and what you're looking for, and then hit return. It will automatically put in the second parentheses for you.